Hello, I'm about to do a tour of a 2-bedroom apartment in Westlands, and if you're interested you can get the details from the description so that you can get access to this place. It's a very beautiful place and I'd love you guys to come and see. So from the door we have the dining area. Then we have, that is the dining, guys. Then the kitchen, fully furnished. Here, I don't want to talk much. Then we have cabinets over here, a lot of them over there. Then we have, it's an open kitchen, open air, so yeah, very decent. So much storage for you, as you can see. Then we have this. Okay, then we have over there, we have that. Okay, we have the microwave, the fridge. Yeah, that's it about the kitchen, guys. Pretty much self-explanatory. Yeah, fully furnished in Westland. We come over here, we have the bedroom, cabinets, furnished. That's the wall art, I love it, very thoughtful. Then we have the chandelier, we have the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. You guys can see that, right? Not much, but if you want to come viewing, you can let me know. Coming outside, we have this other side where we have like a secret storage over there. This is the laundry room. Yeah, the laundry room is here, furnished for you. Okay, then we have over here drawers. Then over here, opposite, this is like opposite the dining and the kitchen, we have this place. We have this. Then we have another bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So those are the cabinets, the wall lights, the art, side drawers. The bed is fully furnished. Side table, or reading table, or study table. Then we have the rest area. We have the bathtub. That's it about it. We have the living room. So we have this, the living room area. Like that. We have the rest area over here, very comfy. Let me open. We have the backyard, guys. This is the living room now. Those are the lights. Yeah, the living room looks like that. I love the side coffee tables. Very thoughtful and nice. The green is good with the white and the wall art, so it's decent. Very pretty decent home. Yeah. Almost forgot to show you guys the amenities, and lo and behold, I have been reminded of these. This is the swimming pool, and then we have also the gym, so you guys are going to see it in the video. So this is the gym. So that's it, guys, about the video. If you're interested, you can contact me so that we can talk about it. And yeah, the house is ready to view, ready to be bought. Get to know more about it. See you in the next one.